In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in real time using a simple application. If you want to change your voice, you're going to need an application called EaseUS VoiceWave. It lets you apply different voice filters and effects instantly, whether you're gaming, chatting, or also creating content. First, head over to the official EaseUS VoiceWave website and download the application by clicking on download for free. Once it's downloaded, open your downloads folder and open the file. After installation, open the app, and the first thing you want to do is go to settings and make sure your microphone is selected correctly. Choose your mic and test to make sure it's actually working. You will see 4 sections at the top. All voices is where all the available voice effects are, and there are many here that you can pick from. In trending section, you will find popular voices people are using the most. The favorite section is simply where you can save voices for quick access. The last section is custom, which is where you can create your own voice. You can scroll down and go through these and pick whatever fits what you want. On the right side, you also have controls to customize your voice. You can adjust the volume and also the pitch. So if you don't like the default sound, you can change it to make it sound exactly how you want. And this is how you change your voice using this program. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.